Hi, welcome to Take Tips and Take Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I'm not sure if you're a member of Production Crate, but if you make videos, you need Production Crate. It's a free and paid service. I'll just show you some of the new assets they have here. They have over 10,000 assets from video effects, special effects, sound effects, music, and the great thing about Production Crate is once you purchase or even download, if it's a free download, you don't have to worry about copyright problems in the future. You'll never have that problem with this site. But here, every Friday, they put out new assets. And here's some new assets here they put out. It's really cool. I'll show you some of these here. It's got lightning bolts. Very cool. Anything with a star requires a pro membership, which is $49 a year. But anything without a star like these are free download. Just an email address, password, and you're in. But look at these cool ones you got now. These stamps. These are awesome. Real cool. You got Northern Lights. So you can change the video or change the sky in your videos. To put Northern Lights, that look really cool. Bird flying. These are just some of the new assets. There's so much out there. Sound effects will. Let you listen to a few of these sound effects. There's another one here. Don't want to bore you guys. But their music, the music they have on this site is awesome. It's just all sorts of different styles of music. I'm just going to show you some of the music right now. Okay, so here's the music. You just scroll over this and it'll pop up sound effects and royalty-free music. Here's sound effects. I won't go into all the sound effects here. You can check them out there. And here's the royalty-free music. And their music is awesome. They got some pretty darn good tracks. And once again, they're copyright. No copyright problems. You'll never have copyright problems with Production Crate. But just before we get into the music here, look at some of these things you can do with Production Crate. Alright, that's just some things you can do with Production Crate. Everything you've seen there were assets from Production Crate. So let's check out the music. Let's go over this. Let's go down to electronic. And let's listen to In the Club. Another one here. Try out some other music here. Just give me a sample of the awesome tracks you have here. So you got sound effects, music. Let's go sci-fi. Like I said before, anything with a star requires a pro membership. Anything without a star is a free download. So that's just a brief overview of Production Crate. If you're not using Production Crate, you're missing out on a lot. If you're a content creator, you need Production Crate. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.